Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. As you read the title of this video, I will going to show you how to do Java programming in IntelliJ IDEA. Or you can also say like this, how to write Java program in IntelliJ IDEA. Before we get started, let me tell you this first. This video might be a long one, just because I have divided this video into 3 to 4 parts. In first part, I will going to show you how to download IntelliJ IDEA for 64-bit operating system user and for 32-bit operating system users. Second, I will going to show you how to download Oracle JDK for 32-bit operating system user and for 64-bit operating system user. After that, in second part, I will going to show you how to install both of them. And in the last part, I will going to show you how to connect IntelliJ IDEA to Oracle JDK so that you can work on it, create a program on it. Okay, so let's get started. As usual, you have to go to the description of this video. Under the download link section, you will going to find my website link. Link will be something like this: www.iammrhelper.com/windows/programs/jetbrains/IntelliJ. Our link will be something like that. Simply click on it. And yes guys, wait a minute. Let me show you this first. Open your this PC. Right click on this PC and click on properties. And make sure you know your system type. In my case, it is 64-bit operating system. If it 32-bit operating system for you, then follow the different step that I will going to explain later in this video. Just wait for it. Just make sure you know your system type. Now open the website. Now after you click on it, you will going to land on this page. Now scroll down a little bit. Right under download link section, you will going to find a lots of links like this. Don't get confused. This link is for 32-bit operating system users. Those of you are using 32-bit operating system, you have to go for this link. Just wait a minute, let me explain this first about 64-bit operating system user. Okay, so if you are a 64-bit operating system user, then you have to go for this one. Since we are a Windows user, we will go for this link. Okay, click on it. As you can see, there are two types of IntelliJ IDEA. One is Ultimate Edition, one is Community Edition. Community Edition is completely free to use and Ultimate is a paid one. And you can use it as commercially. As you can see, this is an open source. Okay, so in our case, we will going for Community Edition because it's completely free. It is open source. Okay, so you can get a variety of files, but we are interested in exe file. Okay, select the exe file and then your file will download automatically. Just wait for it. So our IntelliJ IDEA download completed. Now close this page and get back to my website. Now click on this Oracle JDK, all versions. Once this page open completely, click on this download. Now as you can see right over here, it is saying you must accept Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java Standard Edition to download this software. You have to accept it. By clicking on this, you can read the license agreement. Okay, if you agree with that, click on this accept license agreement, and after that go for this one. Okay, we are not interested to download the zip file, both are same. Since we are interested in exe file, so we'll go for this one. So our Oracle JDK download completed. Now close this page. Now it's time to show those of you who are using 32-bit operating system. So to download IntelliJ IDEA for 32-bit operating system, go for this one, older versions, click on it. I know you must be thinking why I'm asking you to go to that link, not the first link. Just because in internet I have read that lots of people having problem to use latest version of IntelliJ IDEA in 32-bit operating system, and as per them, they are suggesting to go for this specific version that I am about to show you. To find that specific version, press Ctrl plus F button and type 2016.3.8, and here it is the Ultimate Edition, which we are not interested. Try to find this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition and select this Windows, okay? Or if you are using Linux or Mac, then you have to go for this link, okay? By the way guys, all the links that I am provide you in my website is an official link of each and every program. So please don't think twice before downloading anything from the website. I am not that type of person. I am not a scammer. You have to trust me, otherwise you can leave the video right over here. I'm not forcing you to go for the link, okay? So this is for 32-bit operating system user. Go for this link. And what about the Oracle JDK? Click on this Oracle JDK. Now scroll down a little bit and try to find this specific version, okay? Java SE 8U241. Click on it and kindly read the license agreement properly. If you agree with it, click on accept, and after that click on this link, okay? And after that, process will be same if you are using 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. Process will be same, okay? Close this page and minimize the browser. Let me first bring my downloaded file to desktop. So we have completed downloading part 1 completed. Now we are going to do the part 2, which is installing part. You can install JDK first, or you can install IntelliJ IDEA. So I am going for IntelliJ IDEA first. Double click. Click on yes. Now click on next. Now where do you want to install this program? In my case, I am going to install it in my C drive because I don't have any other drive. You can install it in anywhere you want to, okay? Click on next. If you want to have a desktop shortcut, check this one. And okay, no problem, leave it as it is. Click on this create associations, create associations. Check this one. And we are not interested to have these two. You can enable it later, which I am not going to cover in this video. Click on next. Okay, click on install. Installing IntelliJ IDEA might take a little bit longer, so please keep patience. Okay, right now we are not going to run it. We will going to run it later because we have to install this JDK first. So click on finish, uncheck this one and click on finish. Now it's time to install JDK. Double click. Click on yes. Click on next. Now please guys, don't change anything from here. Let this program install it in your C drive, because I don't know if you install this program in other drive, will it going to work or not. Okay, so I would strongly suggest you to install it in your C drive. Click on next. Okay, click on close. Now what you have to do is open IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, since we are opening this program for the first time in this computer, it is asking this. So since we don't have any files, click on don't import settings. We want to go for fresh one. Click on OK. Okay, so right over here, privacy policy, you have to read it. This is very important. Read it. And if you agree with that, check this one and click on continue. Okay, now it's up to you, data sharing. Do you want to share the data to JetBrains or not? It's up to you. In my case, I am not going to send it. So I will going to click on this, don't send. By the way, I don't think it will be wrong to share it, okay? So what type of user interface do you want to use? You can change this later also, okay? Click on next default plugins. Don't select any of this. Click on next. Start using IntelliJ IDEA. Click on it. Now let's create a new project. Now what you have to do is click on this. Okay, so it is already detected. Okay, in your case it will not. If in case it is not, then click on this new. Open this PC. Go to C drive. As you can see, it is going for C drive, program files, Java, JDK. Cut this folder, path of this folder, and paste it right over here. Ctrl+B to paste. Click on OK. Now you can close the folder also. Click on next. Click on next. Now where do you want to save your project? I want to save my project at my desktop. Cut it and paste it right over here. Okay, you can name whatever you want to name the project. In my case, I am going for demo. Click on finish. Okay, this is providing you tip of the day. Click on close. Maximize it. Click on this over here, right over here. Click on it. Now click on this one. Right click on this src. Click on new Java class. Click on it. Name the class of your Java. You can name it whatever you like to. It's all depend on your program. For demonstration, I'm going to type demo. Okay, press enter. Now double click over here. Single click. And now let's check is it working or not. I have written a small program. Now in order to run it, what you can do is right click, click on run demo.main, which will going to run from here. Okay, right click, or you can press Ctrl Shift F10. Both will do the same thing. And as you can see, it is building. This might take some time for the first time. And as you can see, it is saying, wow, this is working, which I have written over here. Okay, so I believe this is the way you can start programming in your IntelliJ IDEA. And now after that, once you run it for the first time, you can click on this one also to run the same thing. Okay, so before I end this video, I want to mention a comment which I got from Captain Cat. As you can see on the screen, I like it, so I have mentioned this one. Thank you, Captain Cat, I really appreciate that. And guys, if you also want to be mentioned in my video like this, what you have to do is simply comment below what do you think about this video and why do you like this video. That's all you have to do, and I will see if I found it interesting, then I will add it in my future video. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family members, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.